So here we have this 2020 Ferrari in for Apple CarPlay, one of our most popular upgrades at the moment. As you can see, everything's completely factory. With one press of a button, switches over to CarPlay. You got your Waze, that tells you where all the speed cameras are, where you're going. Apple Music, obviously Spotify. So whatever your preference is, keeps it all standard. All the factory features still work and you don't lose any of that. And don't forget, if you're an Android user, we do have you covered as well. So this is Android Auto. So you get the same features. So you get the split screen, you can do your phone calls, there's everything. Just what you get with Apple CarPlay, you also get with Android Auto. With the ZZ2 interfaces, you get Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You also get mirroring, which is a nice feature which not all of them have. So along with keeping all the factory screen, as soon as you put it into reverse, keeps your factory camera and parking sensors obviously. And then when you take it out of reverse, straight back onto your CarPlay. And if this is something you're looking into getting, then let us know. We don't just do for this car, we do for many others, but drop us an email or a message and we'll see what we can do for you. Thanks.